Hey Austin, we're going to draw another Pokemon today. Which one are we drawing?
Frogadier.
Frogadier, which is the middle one out of all the frogs.
Yeah.
What's the first one? Froakie.
Froakie.
What's the last one?
Greninja.
Greninja. We hope you guys are going to follow along with us. You got your art supplies. They need a marker, some paper, and what else?
Coloring.
Something to color with. Now, we hope you're going to follow along with us. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. You got your marker? Okay, we're first going to start by drawing Frogadier's eyes. You know what? Let's also turn our paper like this. There we go. So let's draw his eye. We're going to draw an oval shape. Like this. Yep, that's a good spot right about here. Then we're going to draw him angry. He's attacking. So we're going to draw the eyelid. Then we're going to draw his pupil. We're going to draw a U shape inside. And then we can color it in, but I'm going to leave a little white reflection for the highlight.
He's always angry.
Is he? Mm-hmm. He always looks angry. Mm-hmm. Now we're going to draw his eye, the line that goes over his eye for his eyebrow looks like. So we draw an upside down J. Yeah, and then let's draw his mouth. We're going to draw a curve coming down like this. So we can draw it from there, draw it down to there. How old are you?
6.
6. You're doing awesome. Now we're going to draw his mouth, and we're going to draw an S line. We're going to go up first, then down, then back up. Looks like a frog mouth. So we're going to go up, down, and back up. Right to there. Perfect. I like how smiley he looks. Next, we're going to draw the bottom of his mouth. So we're going to start here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes forward. So we'll start right here, draw a curve that comes forward. Yeah, curve in. There you go. Then we're going to curve back into his mouth. So right there to there. Now we can draw the other side of the top of his mouth. So he looks 3D. We're going to draw a curve that comes down and connects to his tongue. Right there. Now, let's make him look 3D. We're going to draw, he has little nostrils. So we're going to draw an oval there on the front of his nose. Then we're going to draw a C shape for the other nostril on the other side of his nose. And then we're going to draw his other eye. Let's draw another upside down J. So you can start right here, draw an upside down J that connects to there. That's his other eye on the other side of his head. Now we can draw, he has these ear shapes that are behind his head. So we're going to draw a sideways V. It comes back and then forward. So start right here and go back and then forward. Yeah, keep going. And then forward. Perfect. Now let's make him look 3D. We're going to draw another ear back there. So we're going to draw another line that comes back. It doesn't have to go as far, and then connect it into his ear. So start right here, come back, and then connect it in. Now let's draw the bottom of his jaw. So we draw another curve that comes right here. Yeah, it starts there and then comes back to his neck right about here. Yeah, now let's draw the back of his neck. We're going to draw another curve that comes back like that. Is that cool? Mm-hmm. Okay, he's got these weird little bubble things around his neck, doesn't he? This is going to be fun. We're first going to draw a circle on the bottom of his jaw. So circle right here. Then we're going to draw a U shape that comes back like this for another circle that's overlapping. Yeah, good. And then, yeah, you did it. Good job, man. I'm so proud of you. Now, this one, we're going to draw a bigger circle that comes back and connects to his neck. So we're going to draw another curve that comes back like this. So we can start right here, curve up to his neck, and then back down. Yeah. Then we're going to draw another one on the bottom, and it almost looks like it's going to connect and make a circle. So we're going to start here, connect up to there. Then let's do that again. We're going to repeat that same step. We're going to draw a smaller one right next to it. So there to there. We'll draw another curve. And it really goes back. It kind of looks like a scarf, doesn't it? And we'll do another one right here. Curves. Okay, now this one's going to be a little smaller. We're going to draw another one. Curving. And look, it's kind of coming back and falling too. So let's draw this one right to there. We'll draw upside down U. Good. And then another one below it. We're repeating a lot of the same steps, which I like doing because then it's practice. It helps us get better. So let's do another even smaller one. This one's going to be really small. Look how small that one is. So we'll do another one that's really small. And one right there. Do you like Frogadier?
Yeah.
He's pretty cool. He looks like a ninja. Then we're going to draw one on the very end. There's his bubble scarf. Yeah. Okay, let's make it look like it's going around his neck. So we're going to add one curve right here so that the bubbles look like they're going around the back of his head. So we'll draw a curve right to there. Now let's go under his neck. We're going to draw another curve right here under his mouth. Then we're going to draw another curve that's not connected. You see how I didn't connect it? Mm-hmm. And then this one is going to be connected all the way to his mouth. Yeah, we did it. We finished his cool scarf. Now let's draw his first hand. It's coming forward like this. We're going to draw a big curve that comes forward all the way out to there. Yeah. Now we can draw another curve right next to it, and it's going to be a little smaller. Look how short. It's a little shorter. So we're going to start here and maybe stop there. All right, now right here, we're going to curve back the other way. And his fingers are made out of ovals, kind of like the bubbles. So on this one, we're going to draw an oval. And on this one, we're going to draw an oval too for his thumb. So we'll draw an oval there and another one on the front one. Yeah. And one on his thumb. And then he has three, so we got to add one more next to the front one. So one touching the front. Perfect. Now let's connect those two with an upside down U. And then we can draw a little line for his finger. And then he also has a line on his wrist. It looks like he's wearing gloves. Mm-hmm. Okay, we did it. Let's draw his other arm coming back the other way. So we're going to draw another curve that comes out, but going this way. So we're going to draw coming all the way back here. Then we're going to draw another one right below it, just like we did over here. And this one, we can draw the same length. So I drew it so it matches. Now on each line, we're going to curve one way up, and we're going to curve down on the other one. Down and then up on the other one. Now he's got 3 fingers on this hand too, right?
Yeah.
And they're, what shapes are they? Ovals?
Ovals.
Ovals, yeah. So we're going to add one for his thumb down here at the bottom. Yes. And then we're going to add one. Watch this. The first one I'm going to draw isn't touching. So the first one's not touching. We're going to draw it right here. Then we're going to draw another one right above it that's touching that top line. So we can draw it. But see how I only drew part of it? Because it's overlapping.
Yeah.
It's behind the first one we drew. There we go. Now let's connect these two with a sideways U or a C shape. There we go. And then let's add the finger line, just like we did over here. And then the wrist line too. So we're going to draw a little curve on his wrist. Looks like he has the gloves on.
Yeah.
All right, what are we missing on our Frogadier?
His feet.
His feet and his body. Let's first start by drawing his belly. We're going to draw a short line that comes out right here. It's a curve coming down. So start there and curve it down. Then we're going to draw his back, and it's going to start up here where his armpit is, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down. Watch this. It's even longer than his belly. So we're going to start right here in his armpit and draw down past the first belly line. Yeah. Oh, he's looking so cool. Okay, now we're gonna draw the bottom of his leg. It's going forward. So we'll start right here, draw his bum, and then draw it forward. Now we can draw the top of his leg. So we're gonna start right here. We're gonna draw over to his knee. Look, it's longer than the bottom line. So we'll start inside his belly and then come out past for his knee. Perfect. Then we're drawing that bent. So we're gonna draw his knee and then the front of his legs coming back.
He looks like a ghost.
A ghost, maybe. So we're gonna draw that line, draw his knee, and then back to his ankle. Yeah, then we're gonna draw his calf. We're gonna draw his calf muscle and finish his ankle. So we're gonna start there and come down to his ankle. Watch this. I'm gonna go past for his heel. So we're gonna start up here, and then we're gonna draw down to his heel. Yeah. All right, now we can draw the bottom of his foot. We're gonna draw a line that comes forward. There we go. And then we could draw the top of his foot too. So we're drawing another line that comes out. And then what shape are his toes?
Ovals.
Ovals, just like his fingers. And he only has 2 toes. So we're going to draw 2 big ovals, each touching one of the lines. Then we can, I like those little toes. Then we can connect them with a little curve. And we did it. We drew his first foot. Now we need to draw his second leg over here. We're going to draw it really long like he's leaping. So we're going to start here. We're going to draw a curve. It comes down and then back. So we start right here, draw it to his knee, and then we can draw a little further. Looks like he's jumping. Good. Now let's draw the back of his leg. We're going to draw a curve. Oh, you did it.
Yeah.
Good job. Sorry, I missed that. Now we're going to draw the back of his leg. We're going to start here, come down to the back of his knee. So we'll start with that. Draw it down to the back of his knee. This one right here, this point. I know you got a couple points, huh? There you go. Right to the point. And then we're going to draw his calf muscle. It comes out and then back into his ankle. And then down here, boop. Then we're going to draw his heel. So it's going to curve back up just a little bit up to there. All right, now we're going to draw his foot. We're going to draw another curve that comes down here and another curve that comes down in front. So we'll draw this one to there. Man, your Frogadier is looking so awesome. Are you proud of it?
Yeah.
Then we could draw another one in the front for the front of his foot.
I don't think I'll have enough room for his toes.
You could do it. You could squish it in there. Now we're going to draw those 2 ovals for his toes. And then we'll connect them. One more. Yeah, and then connect them in between his toes. Now we're missing a few more details, a few more little features on his body. He's got a V shape that comes down. I think it's down his back and then back up. So we'll start here, come to the point, and then back up to his armpit. Then we're going to connect his mouth to the bubbles. Then we can also add a little line right behind his eye. Yeah, right there. Perfect. You did it, man. Turned out really cool. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
Now, it's okay that our drawings look a little different, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun. And especially remember, we got to remind our art friends, it's okay if their drawings look different than ours too. It's important to have fun and to practice. All right, we still need to do one last thing to our drawing. What is it?
Coloring.
Yeah, this part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same color. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
All right, dude, we did it. We finished drawing Frogadier. Well, that's a good 5. And he looks so much better colored in. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Now we used a light blue, dark blue. We also used a light pink and a dark pink, a light yellow, and a dark yellow. You promise you had fun drawing?
Yeah.
We hope you guys had a lot of fun drawing with us. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!